Hello everyone, welcome back to SM Tech Creation YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to upload YouTube Shorts on your YouTube channel correctly. First, open your YouTube application. Then click on the plus button in the bottom. Then click on create a short. Now you can see your mobile live cam. In this section you can record a live video. Then you can put some filters and add music. If you want to upload pre-recorded video, just click on upload. Then select the video that you want to upload. Make sure the video should be less than 59 seconds. In this section you can adjust your video length. After complete video adjustment, just click on next. In this section you can add some text and music to your video. Then click on next. Then add title to your video. End of the video title, put the hashtag, then type shorts. Then select your audience. Finally, just click on upload. See you next video. Thank you.